Hello everyone, this is Anna from Leximbue Journals. This is my new journal for the month of May for the Graphics Fairy Premium membership site. And I have chosen a spring garden fairy theme. So I've used this beautiful cover from the Winter Hues bundle. And what I love about this is the fact that once I've printed it, it looks just like an authentic vintage book cover. And I have decorated it a bit with some gold gilding. It has the gold showing through anyway through this vintage cover, but I added a bit of gold to enhance it. As you can see, I also created these ridges, the very, very thin, fine ridges, and looks just like an old book cover. And the back has got a bit of gold gilding as well. So this journal has got quite a lot of things coming out from the sides and the edges, and I have this vial, a little fairy in it, and some beads. There's a citron bead as well, which is the stone of creativity. And there's a little fairy peeking here through, and there's another one up on the top, and lots of silks that resemble the wings, their wings, and the wings are there as well. So the silks match the colors of the wings, and there's a feather here. I have silk coming out from the side, and the wings are showing from the side. So let me show you inside the book. So I have added these end papers here, and this fairy is welcoming us into her garden, into this mystical garden. And the front has got this garden image from the secret garden. I have added all sorts of images in this journal to bring out of natural upheaval, the spring exploding from everywhere. So I fussy cut these mushrooms, and I have added these images of fairies here, and they serve as little tuck spots. And then this fairy is dancing, this lady is dancing, and this amazing image of a blossom, of cherry blossom. More cherry blossoms, and this washi tape of this gazebo in the garden. Really, really lovely washi tape, which I printed onto sticker paper with quotes, and some more cards here and here. And there's a fairy prince here. And this is an evening sunset fairy scene, and I have attached it onto the edge, and this is where the vial is, and the feathers that are showing from the side, and another little bead here. There's this little fairy here sitting on a mushroom cutout, which is a tuck spot as well, and a fairy just flying in from the side. And more washi here, and quotes. And these butterflies, I've printed them quite large, and I've added these brads so that they can move around, but at the same time they serve as tuck spots, but you can see them from the edges of the journal. And I have finished them with a glass effect, so that they are stronger, they don't tear, and they also look shiny. I kind of like this effect that they have. And more cherry blossoms here. So in this gazebo, what I've done here is I have got a washi, and I have attached a fairy onto it here. And I have also got acetate onto the windows of the gazebo, so they are see-through, and Then I have also fussy cut the gazebo, and then I can slide in to the gazebo the fairy. This is the idea. And this is some more washi, which I really love this washi. More washi here and some more blossoms. And this is a night scene from the fairy garden with a lake and all the fairies. It's a large flower here, and I'm using it as a tuck spot. So in this journal, it's mainly tuck spots of different elements I've used instead of big pockets. Unicorn. And there's another fairy in the garden. You know, I love this image, so I use this one as well. And I love the colors that it has, the pastels, and they go so well with the spring flowers. There's another butterfly here, used as a tuck spot. And there's a pocket, and it is a transparent pocket. So, and I have a file in it, a fairy file. More garden images, spring images. And this lady is walking in her garden. A stunning garden scene here. Another garden scene, and this fairy is peeking through an acetate window. She's attached onto it, and the background from the other page is showing from here. And when you turn the page, there's this B magazine cover, and this fairy's floating on the top of the page. And she's the one that emerges out of the side of the journal. So she can be moved around wherever one likes. There's a fairy queen here, facing this lovely page, these amazing colors. Here's some flower plates. And this is another plate I love from the entomology bundle. And again, it's the colors that are so gorgeous. And these ladies are in the garden, and the fairy is on this side. I've attached her onto this page. There's another fairy here with her wings up there. And another file with cards, fairy cards there. This is a pocket, a side pocket. I love this color with the wings, and I attached the silks on them. This is a pocket that I have created. Another side pocket, a butterfly as a tuck spot. And here is another side pocket with the transparent side pocket with a folder. There's a little fairy here inside the pocket. And this is a gorgeous image here. And this fairy with also tuck spot. Fairy wings here. And this flower I just printed it large, so it can become a pocket, a tuck spot. And this fairy photo here, lady dressed as a fairy dancing. And this is a winter hues image, and I just pastels, gorgeous. There's another lady here, which I transformed into a fairy with her silk silk wings. And this, just another image I really love. And another scene, garden scene. The same lake in the day, and sunset. And this one is also one of my favorite images, so I added it here. And the end, beauty surrounds us, but usually we need to be walking in a garden to know it. This is a lovely quote. I hope you enjoyed this flip through. And this journal will be up on Etsy this Friday after 9 p.m. UK time. Do check out the images and the bundles on the premium membership site. It is just an absolute delight every time I create a journal to go into that site, and I find amazing, beautiful images. And as you can see, the cover here is just as clear and as real as the original cover. So have a lovely crafting time, and thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Lots of love. Bye bye.